powerful tools you can access through Tapcart is the ability to own your own high-impact marketing channel using push notifications. Sending notifications directly to your users' home screens not only keeps your brand top of mind, it also helps increase conversions, engagement, and retention. Consistently sending timely, relevant push notifications is an essential part of building your brand's community of loyal, repeat customers. Now, let's walk through our best practices for leveraging push notifications. First, let's talk about power words. The right words at the right time can get someone to stop what they're doing, read a notification, and take action. So what are power words, and how do they help boost conversions? Power words are persuasive words used to trigger a psychological or emotional response. They're called power words because they compel people to take action. Now, power words are no secret to e-commerce marketers. In fact, you've probably encountered them as a target yourself without even knowing it. And here's a few examples. Power words are tied to desired responses. Say we want to promote urgency. We can use words in a push notification such as now, hurry, limited, soon. For a new release, we can use added, premium, new collection, VIP access. These are just a few of the words and phrases that are proven to quickly grab attention. To help get you started, we have a list of our favorite power words for e-commerce that you can use for your own push notifications. As an additional tip, try testing out your own power words that are unique to your brand and your users. And remember that power words are always changing, so stay up to date with what's working and your audience will be sure to respond. Another best practice for push notifications is utilizing app exclusives. Offering exclusive access to certain products or collections is one of the best ways to entice users to download and shop on your app. You know, if you were going to get access to a Black Friday sale a week early by downloading an app, you're probably going to go for it. And promoting your app exclusives in the push notifications is a great practice. You could offer early access to a flash sale, exclusive products, or discounts only available to your app users. And as a pro tip, when sending a push notification regarding a sale, try including the discount percentage and time-sensitive power words in your message to create a sense of urgency. Okay, so having an app doesn't mean everything needs to happen in the app. It doesn't mean you need to get rid of your physical store or drive traffic away from your website. Your app is an extension of your brand and a way to bring your community together. You can build a sense of community by offering exclusive in-person or virtual events and send push notifications to invite your most loyal customers. You know, say you're having a VIP event at your store, or you're doing a virtual live shopping event with your founder, or you're having a charity event in a public space. You can use push notifications to let all of your users know that this is happening and encourage them to drop by. Next, let's talk about brand messages. Push notifications don't always need to be tied to a direct sale. You can use them to showcase your brand identity and build loyalty with your customer base. You know, building a brand is so much more than selling products. Your audience is much more likely to feel connected to your brand if they understand and share your brand's values and principles. Let your audience know what you stand for, whether it's a collection aligned with a cultural event, promotion tied to a holiday, or even sharing instructions on how to care for your products. And once you're confident in the community you've built, try sending a push asking for app reviews. And there you have it, a few of the ways you can use push notifications as a dedicated marketing channel to share the best of your brand with your most dedicated customers.